and now we'll talk about the intersection of sets. So the intersection of set A and B is a new set. A, then this symbol with B, alright? This is actually A intersection B. Okay, so this symbol means intersection, right? Okay, so the intersection of sets A and B is a new set, A intersection B, which contains the elements common to A and B. So you see an element is found in A and another element is found in B. So some elements are found in A and some elements are found in B. So you have common elements, okay? For example, 2 is in A and 2 is in B. So B is gotten. Okay, so B will exist in A intersection B because we just talked about common elements of the two sets. Alright, for example, if you want to talk about a collection of in the English alphabet, alright, and that is, you store it in a particular set, let's call it A, that is a set of English alphabet, then you collect the set of vowel letters, okay, the letters of the vowel sounds. Okay, so you see that the letters of the vowel sounds intersecting with the set of alphabets will give you A, B, C, A, E, I, O, U. Those are just it. Okay. But that's just it. So this is the example. Yeah, we will not have even said that. So as an example, we say A is equals to 1, 2, 4. B is given to be 2, 4, 6. And C here is 5, 7. So I want to say the A intersection B will now be equal to, now, by the definition, we say elements common to both A and B. So one is in A, but one is not in B. So one will not be the element of A intersection B because one is not common to A and B. Alright? 2 is in A and 2 is in B. So 2 will be an element because 2 is found in both sets. The next thing is 4. And that is it. There is no more 6. There is no 6 in A, so that holds. Now look at this. A intersection C. Alright? So you see A intersection C, what do we get? Well, 1, 2, 4, this is just 5, 7. There is no intersection. So we just close it again. There is nothing there, right? So A intersection C is actually empty. So we call this an empty set. We can also rewrite this as this. We just circle and cross it. So we show that there is nothing there actually. So that is just it. So an empty set. Okay. Now, when the intersection of two sets is an empty set, okay, it means that the two sets are disjoint sets. The two sets are disjoint sets. For example, if this is set A, then this is set C. There is no intersection, right? You know about Venn diagram. Now let me talk about A and B to illustrate that. The intersection of A and B is just 2 and 4. So maybe let me just go ahead and use this. And then there will be an intersection. So this is A, this is B. So the intersection of A and B will be 2 and 4. So I'm going to put those two numbers here. Alright? Every other element of A, let's say this is just 1. Let me use this in black. Then every other element of B, that is just 6. Okay, so you see how the thing is. But here, for A and C, we see that the intersection is actually 0. So if we make these circles to overlap, we will not have anything to put inside, okay? And you overlapping as your diagram, maybe it will show that maybe you don't know what you're doing or something like that. So it's best to keep it this way, all right? So this right here, you can just put the element of A, 1, 2, 4. In short, 1, 2, 4. The position, it doesn't really matter. The element of C, you put 5, 7. So there is no intersection between them. So they are disjoint sets. You see, they are not joining. Okay. So that is very nice something, and that was very nice for you. Okay. So that is what you get. And please subscribe to my channel.